Hi and welcome to Sew Ab Fab. I'm Caroline and today I'm going to introduce you to our June Complete Dressmaking Kit. This month is a lovely women's pattern. We are making the cuff top by the assembly line. Our boxes include two different fabrics and two different designs on those fabrics for you to choose from. So there's lots of perfect options. I'll go through the fabric in a minute. I'm just going to go through the pattern quickly because this pattern is has been newly released because it's got an increased size range, so should cater for all body shapes and sizes. So it starts now at an extra small and goes up to a 4XL, which roughly is about 80 centimeters in bust to 140-150 centimeters, so there's a good size range there. The only difference in the garment is that the curvy sizes, to accommodate curves, has got a couple of darts in at the bust and a little button opening at the back, but in all respects it's basically the same top. So it is a lovely beginner's make, a straightforward make, and we've chosen it for the versatility of the top because our boxes are all about building wardrobe staples and a capsule wardrobe, and this top can be worn dressed up or down. It can go with near enough everything in your wardrobe, and we've actually paired it with our make it, which was the flint pants. We took all the photographs with them together so that you can actually see how the wardrobe is building. As I say, you could wear it to work, you could wear it out for a picnic. It is a nice loose fitting top that is comfortable to wear. So enough waffling, let me just show you a couple of the features. As I mentioned, it's got this beautiful boat neck that is a face, it's got a little facing in there. And then these gorgeous cuff sleeves. Now this is where it gets its name from. So they are loosely elasticated, they're not tight. You could make them tighter. I chose to have mine loose, so they just hang around here. If you were to have them tight, then they would grip and you'd get more of a puff, but I like the way that they just drape. So they are a little elasticated, and then it's straight down just to the hemline. Now, a nice feature of this top is it actually has a center front seam. You can omit it, but we've put it in so you can see, and it's also top stitched, so actually it does stand out. It is lovely, but the choice is yours, especially if you are making the abstract pattern like this one. If you didn't want a seam and you were finding it hard to pattern match, then by all means just cut your front piece on the center fold. So this is one of the fabrics we've chosen. It is a cotton lawn, 100%. It's got the most luxurious feel. It's a Pima cotton lawn. It's soft, it's good quality. And that's what we're about, really. So we wanted something that would last. There's no point for building wardrobe staples that don't last, so we've gone for a cotton lawn that is good quality and will last and is a joy to sew with. So they're this colourway, or we have chosen a beautiful rayon, which is, it's got a lovely handle and drape. It is also another dream sew. Sometimes these lighter, more flimsy fabrics can be difficult to sew with because they shift. I didn't find this at all with this fabric. It was fairly stable. As I say, a nice sew. It's a beautiful sort of pale pinky peachy colour with mustard and blue in it. So we'll go with most things and skin tones. So you get that in your box. So you have a choice of either or. You get 1.5 meters, which will cover the complete size range, and with a little bit to spare if needed. You will also get in your box, it's like generation home, coordinating matching thread. So if you're going for the abstract, you get like a beigey colour, and if you're going for the peachy pink, you get the equivalent of the pink. So you get a thread, a Gutermann thread, You get a packet of universal sewing needles, so you get the complete packet. Now I recommend for this fabric that you use a 70 on both. It doesn't really need to be any higher number because it's a lightweight fabric. So packet of needles. Your elastic for your arm cuffs. Now this is a lovely soft pliable elastic. So it shouldn't rub in any way, and if you did choose to tighten your cuffs, you should be able to wear it all day long. It's such a nice soft elastic. So you get your elastic for your cuffs, the interfacing, iron-on interfacing, lightweight, that you need to do your facings around the front and the back neck areas. A button depending on your choice of fabric. So the abstract cotton here, you get a little, I don't know if you can see that, a little heart, and for the peach you get a little blue fisheye button. Of course your all important label to put in your garment, and of course it's all beautifully wrapped. It comes with a top tip sheet, a little thank you note and a treat, tied with bow and delivered straight to your front door. So an enjoyable and quick make, because let's face it, the weather is glorious and you don't want to be at your machines all day. You want something that you feel you've achieved something, something that's going to look beautiful on and is a pleasure to wear. So I hope you enjoy this kit as much as I've enjoyed putting it together for you. Have a good day. Bye.